नेचर वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
The luxurious thing which you can feel, the paperwork is very clear. To go for any property here, go for Newtrick only.
Newtrick Properties.
Namaste, sir. I am Sukriti Sharma, and I welcome you here at Newtrick Properties.
Thank
you. Please, we just want to know something about yourself first.
Yeah, so I'm Ashish Singh Kushwa, and I'm working as a software engineer in one of Australian bank. So I'm mainly working from home, from Gwalior, because of my parental conditions, because they are quite old now. So I'm working from home, but mainly for Australian bank.
Okay. Sir, wanted to know that how did you met Newtrick Properties? How you get to know about it?
Yeah, so if I talk about Newtrick Properties, I've been searching for this property like when I was in UK in 2015 and returned back to Gwalior. So that time the thing was that I was looking one of the property where because I've been there in Pune and I've been there in Noida. So that quality I'm looking here.
Okay.
And I've been visited like many of builders here. लेकिन मुझे वैसा quality नहीं मिल रही.
Okay.
Then I visited one of your Newtrick, what we call Newtrick Nature Park.
Yeah. It is.
तो वहाँ मैंने जाके देखा, फिर वहाँ मैंने और सर्च किया. That time आपका ये launch हुआ था. तो that's how I know Newtrick.
Okay. And sir, what will you say about the ambience of Garden City? I think I just want to know first that where did you exactly brought the property, Newtrick Properties?
Okay, so if I talk about the property details, I have booked one of 2 BHK in Garden City, Eden Garden.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
So that is very good actually. And the ambience is really superb. मतलब मैं अगर और भी builders के गया हूँ, मैंने देखा है, but जो ambience है, जो roads हैं, जो I mean lanes हैं, वैसे नहीं देखा है मैंने. और second ये है कि जैसे Newtrick की जैसे बात करी जाए ना, जो मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा, जो आप लोग पूरा तैयार करके देते हो ना, that is very good thing. The quality you are using into it, like the pebbles, the trees, everything is very good. So that is what attracted me.
Okay.
कि चलो मुझे लेना चाहिए.
Okay. So sir, जब आप property purchase कर रहे होंगे, तो I believe that was not only be your decision to take a property or take a place to living. आपने family से भी discussion किया होगा. तो what was their opinion?
हाँ, तो मैंने तो जब जाके देखा, तो because I need to look for some other factors also, like कि पैसे कितने हैं क्या. बट मेरी डॉटर को जो है ये शी इज स्टडीइंग इन 7i स्कूल. इसको तो बहुत ही पसंद आया. और यही बोल रही थी कि नहीं पापा यही लेना है मुझे.
क्या अच्छा लगा आपको कुछ स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू वुड लाइक टू से?
नेचर वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
ओके.
एंड काइंड ऑफ लग्जरी है वहाँ पे.
ओके.
The luxurious thing which you can feel.
Okay.
Like okay, ये है, this is something different. So that's what we can say about Newtrick.
Okay. And so what about the staff and services? Because you had paperwork also, you do
Yes,
it before getting a registry and going into a place, you have to do a lot of paperwork.
Yes.
You have to meet a lot of people. So how was the experience about
that? Experience is all really tremendous. Because और builder के साथ क्या होता है, जो कागज का काम होता है, I mean they are not very good at it. They do like okay हम ऐसा कर देंगे, but if I talk about Newtrick, very smooth.
Okay.
मुझे जरा भी परेशानी नहीं हुई. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द सेल्स पर्सन्स, अजय जी हैं और जैसे आकाश है, एंड लेटर ऑन सुकृति, आप थैंक यू सो मच. क्योंकि जो भी मुझे कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन भी कराने थे वहाँ, तो यू इजीली एक्सेप्टेड दैट कि ये नहीं कि मतलब नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता वैसा नहीं. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड द पेपर वर्क इज वेरी क्लियर, एवरीथिंग इज वाइट, आई वुड से, एंड वेरी क्लीन एंड वेरी इजी. So मुझे मतलब पता ही नहीं लगा कि कब मैंने फ्लैट ले लिया.
Would you like to suggest Newtrick Properties or any of our project to
yes,
any of your
definitely.
relatives?
I have already recommended this property to my 2-3 friends.
Okay.
Because they are also looking for some flats in Gwalior also. Okay. So I told them that if you want to go for any property here, go for Newtrick only. Because Newtrick में ही वो बात है जो ग्वालियर में एक अलग है, I would say.
Thank you so much.
क्योंकि मेरे जितने रिलेटिव हैं, they all are already taken one of my relative in Newtrick Garden Homes. उन्होंने वहाँ लिया है.
Okay.
और NG Grant वो इसमें है. तो मेरे रिलेटिव भी सारे Newtrick से ही हैं.
Okay.
क्योंकि इसी में जो क्वालिटी मिल रही है ना, वो up to the mark है, I mean वो है.
And so, what will be the score from the scale of 1 to 10 you would like to give us?
For what? I mean, if we talk about construction, is really good.
Okay.
Services, yes, 10 on 10.
Okay.
I never had such experience for a builder perspective, because I've been there many builders here, and they're not clear into their processes first of all, कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. फिर बीच में थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता था कि कुछ तो भी दाल में काला टाइप भी लग जाता है. But in Nutric, everything is clear and smooth, so 10 on 10 I would say.
Thank you so much. Which means overall you are very satisfied.
Very satisfied, yes. And I must recommend to anyone, if someone is interested, they should go for Nutric.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. It was really nice talking to you.
Same. Thank you.
Thank you for giving your time.
Thanks.